Thank you, Joseph, for the introduction and that overview. My name is Lawrence. I'm a marketing executive in Ndovesha, and mainly I've created content for, I think, quite some time now. And now with AI, it has become so easy to a point where even business owners on their own can create their own content with AI. And so for today's case, the bakery, I think, as Joseph has said, it's it's an industry that it's mostly based on the events and mostly comes with you making orders. People coming with their custom what they would want to have. So and with that, I think it becomes so hard for the business owner to create content because I don't think there's much time for you to create content. But now with AI, it's very easy. Again, you don't have to use so many tools, to come up with your social media creatives. Because now with a tool like Ndovesha, it's very easy. It's just one chat, and you have your creative or your social media post ready. And I think I can just showcase that. You can just create a social media post with Ndovesha. And let me just share my screen here. I'll go to new page here and just type Ndovesha.ai. And when I land here, I can just click to any button here, and let's say you can even start here. We want to create a social media post here. Okay, I already have an account, so I don't have to sign up. I'll just log into my account here. With my email and my password. So I'm in here now. Those who have been attending our webinars, we had prompt generators, but now we've brought them here. In its of which still you can go back to it if you want to come up with a prompt first. But now with Ndovesha, it's quite easy because the same inputs you have put for you to get the prompt, now they are working out here. And so I'll just start with, we want to create a social media post here. So just pressed here, and we want to create a social media post for the bakery, the Crumb and Bloom Bakery. So I think I can just import, I'll just chat with this marketing operator here, Ndovesha Marketing Operator, for me to get that post ready. And so create post form. Bakery. We can have something like it is an artisan bakery that creates a premium pastries and cakes using locally sourced ingredients. So I can add some more details, and everything is baked. Fresh customers order online delivery within 2 hours. In 2 hours, and now we can have the guidelines here. The colors is colors. Buttercream, cold brown, font, pins. So I have everything I need ready. So it's just now me generating the creative here. Let's see what it will give us here.
So yeah, I think you can move the pixel. Just moving.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So let's give it some time here. Let's see what it will cook here. Or else what it will bake. Because now we have pastries here. Let's give it a few seconds. Let's see what we will have here. Oh, I have my image here. I really like it. I mean, it is the artistry, freshly baked delights delivered to your doorsteps. I think that's a good one. Let's have another one. It's just chatting with it here. It's vibe marketing. So crafting, typography, applying font styling, and hierarchy, adding depth and okay. Oh. Let's see. I think these are ready to post social media creative. You know, it's very clean. You know, you can see it's in terms of even the copywriting. Okay, we have another one. Indulgent freshness, design pastries and cakes locally sourced. Order now. Enjoy delivery in 2 hours. Oh, I like the second one more. I think it's better. But anyway, you can just rate my creatives. So you've seen we've not used any design tool. We've not used Canva. We've not used Adobe. So as a business owner, as a social media manager, I mean, there's no much need of you having to, you know, to learn all those design tools. It's just you coming here and talking to this agent, and you know, it will just generate what you want. So again, I think before I take it back to Joseph, I think it's good to mention that if you here in the webinar and you've not joined our community, I'll put the link in the chat for you to join the community. Also, if you are a social media manager, you're a business owner, when you join the community, you can just site chat one of the admins there. If you would want us to feature your business or some of the social media accounts that you manage in our next webinar next week on Thursday, I can just set chat one of the admins there, and then we'll have the details. Then we can use your business as a case study. We can generate such social media creatives now for your business, the landing page, the ads creative. Yeah, so yeah, see. I'll take back to Joseph.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Lawrence. That was very impressive. We can, you said you want to be rated. You can team chat. You can rate Lawrence creatives here in the chat section. I think we've not recovered from Hey Chat, from iShow Speeds to anyway, I'll be showcasing how to do ad creatives from the same agent. So as we said, let me share my screen. Just a minute. So here's the website, ndovesha.ai. Come here, you can log in if you have an account. If you don't have one, you can click any of these buttons to sign up. It will take you to the necessary steps. So for me, I have an account, so I'll just, and I've already logged in, so I'll share this tab instead. So I'll pick my agent, which is an ad image. I mean, I have the details about the business. So pick her name is maybe I'll just add here that create Facebook add image for there below business. It should feature a Valentine's offer that runs from 1st February 2026 to 14th February 2026. Offering 10% discount. Right. I think I will not change it. I'll just tell it to proceed. So you can sip coffee as we're waiting for chat to do its thing. We hope it's gonna do a good job. It's winding up. All right. Sweeten your Valentine's 10% off all orders from February 1 to I see my 4 is not there, has been cut. Well, I like this part.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes.
The screen is not visible to me.
All right. Anybody else is not seeing my screen? Or is it just exclusive to him?
I can see it. So
you can see it. Okay. All right.
Visible.
Maybe you can restart your device and see if it comes up.
Thank you.
Sorry
Thank
about
you.
that. All right.
Thank you.
Let me tell it. Give me another variation. Let's see what it does. The creative is nice. It just messed a little bit, repeated a few details, but I like the direction it's going. Okay. I think this is really cool. This is a really cool one. It's got my dates properly now. Locally sourced, explode treats. I like the flowers. I like the headline. I think this is the only part that has missed a little bit. But I think it's really creative in its own right. So I can just tell it to remove this part, and then we are good to go. So it just vibing. So 2026 is the year of vibe marketing. You just talk to the agent and it gives you what you want. Just the same way we had last year, we had a rise in vibe coding. Now we are moving to vibe marketing. I think creating usable marketing assets using AI. I think that's the next wave. So, and I think that makes us save costs, move faster, grow revenue and all those kinds of gains. I think we can achieve that with vibe marketing. I think it's nice. In any case, I don't like adding logos to add images because by default, the social media picks your page and somebody can know it. So I think I would use this one. It's good. Everything is, the key details are very well done and structured. So anyway, you can rate my final image. And yeah. So in the meantime, I welcome Duncan Daniel to take us through creating a landing page for the same business. And feel free to chat on the chat in case you have any questions, comments, or insights as we proceed. Duncan, the floor is yours.
all right, sir. Thank you, Joseph, for the introduction and walk through the add image operator. So Lawrence for the demo on the social media image. I think I mean they've done some very nice creatives. So so I'm Daniel. First of the Ndovesha team. So I'll take you through the landing page agent. Of those who have been with us, of course, and if you have an account inside Ndovesha, I'm sure you must have seen the amazing agents in there and probably tried them out. So more will be coming through your way. So I'll share my screen even as we think I'm logged in. So just go straight to chat. Right. So yeah. So I mean, I've developed websites for quite quite some time. I mean, about 10 years, and I remember when we were starting, of course, just getting a simple website. A simple website page would be could even take you a month to get it right. And of course, most of the times you wouldn't even get the desired output. You just get a very scruffy looking website. But now, I think with how things have evolved, actually, like with the Ndovesha agent, you should be able to get a website up and running in less than 10 minutes. So and actually have it live serving your your customers and potential ones for that matter online. So so let me go to the landing page agent and see what we can create for Cramp and Bloom Bakery. That's the same business which Joseph and Lawrence have done the social media image and the ad image for. So I'll let me like so to the landing page operator. So let me first say hi to chat, and then I'll pick. Let me just paste the business description. So it's shared. So I think this is the business details. So I just tell chat to create for me a landing page for business with details as below. I think we have the bakery name, we have the colors, we have the font, and the description. So I think I can add just for the sake of because you really want people to be able to, maybe if they click on a button, maybe order now or whatever, they're able to actually reach out to you. So we can just tell just to for all the buttons, all the qualification button, to give us to link it to our WhatsApp number so that you can visitors can easily connect and just click and land in the WhatsApp inbox for the business. So I'll tell agents to cause we just set the location located in Nairobi, just to get more of like a final version. And then use WhatsApp number. So I'll just use my number. This on all CTA buttons. So you want all CTA buttons to be direct to WhatsApp. So, and then I think that's enough. Then click on enter and let's the agent back. So basically, looking at how things have evolved over time. Now, because at the end of the day, how people find your website is what even moves them to make a purchase. Because if your website is not good to navigate, doesn't have a nice visual layout, again, that one is also another turn off for potential customers. So now with the agent, you'll be able to see, you're able to get in our website, which is really easy to navigate. You can list your services, your products, and anyone visiting the site will be able to actually navigate, see your product, your offering, and definitely reach out. So we are about to see that. I should add my time on. Should have been. I think this one should check from the query, from the greetings to the final output. To be done in less than 5 minutes. So I think we are still within that 5 minutes. So if you had coffee, you'll only perhaps take 2.25 sips, and your site will be ready. Will be live. So let's see. Should be almost there. And here we go. So yeah, so here we have the it's just a preview, but of course right now you are able to actually publish your site, and you get a URL, a temporary one which you can share and have people find you, browse your website. So I'll publish, and then we share the link in the chat, and also we'll also open it here and have a feel of what chat has given us. So Ndovesha has given us. So I'll publish. Of course, I need to enter the bit so that I can get a unique address here. So I can just keep it at that, publish. And then we are live. So you can see your page is now live at. Yeah, so if you go to view page, let me switch to that tab. You can see what we've the site we've gotten from that simple chat on Ndovesha. Yeah, the CTAs are very well outlined, just balanced of the colors very well. If I click on this on any button, you should be able to order now. It'll take me to WhatsApp. Actually, we can even click even on order now. It'll take us to WhatsApp. Should be able to see that. Yeah, so yeah, you can see actually it's going to my WhatsApp. So so the CTA buttons are very well active. Ready to just publish, and you'll be getting your your orders directly. Yeah, also the hero section, well done. The hero statement and the supporting statement there. Very nice visuals. Again, why choose from Crumble Bloom? It's very creative, fresh daily, local ingredients, fast delivery. Very nice. You can see the menu. It's even picked some images for the different items. For the different cake types. Very well placed. Of course, some might be missing, but of course you can ask chat again to fill the images for you. So very well done. Of course, now how do the customers get the deliveries done? Again, you can see well done. Yeah, again, the figures here, happy customers. Of course, you can now giving it the exact numbers, you'll be able to incorporate them and give you the exact numbers displayed. Same with the customer testimonials again, picking for you, very nice. Placeholders for that, and you're able to actually get that section done. Again, of course, I think here we're also missing an image, but again, we can still have it placed. I'll get back and ask chat to fill them. So so another CTA down here, and of course, I mean the footer. So that's what we're able to get in less than 5 minutes from the Ndovesha agent. I'll share the link to the chat so that you can have a feel and write the landing page. So in an instant, in less than 5 minutes, you can see we've been able to get a website for the bakery. I mean, you can imagine how long this would take. Actually, even the thought of how to really craft the layout for this particular website. Again, I mean, you really have to, one, of course, do a lot of research first, and also now, again, of course, now the real work of now coding or designing the whole site again is another whole huge task. But Ndovesha is able to give you get your site up and running. I mean, in less than 5 minutes. So by just talking to the agent and giving the agent your business's details. So yeah, so that's where we are. Of course, I mean, coming soon. I mean, for now, you can publish your site and have your your website live through that link. But again, in the next updates, of course, you'll be able to actually add your own custom domain for your business. So yeah, so that's what we have for today. So login, sign up. If not signed up, check out. You have some credits to play around, get your website running, or just create something for your business, and we'll be happy to see you get your online presence in a very easy way. So I think I'll take it back to Studio Joseph so that we can probably proceed and get any questions.
I see somebody who has raised their hand. I hope I get the name correct. Gabofiwe. Go on. You want to say something? Proceed. When you're ready, you can just speak. In the meantime, I think I sometimes randomly just pick people to speak. So I hope you're comfortable speaking when I pick on you. So we have, let me see. I'm gonna pick somebody here. We have John Ngeve. John Ngeve, you can say something. John, are you there? All right. Yeah. We have Sarah. Sarah, hi. Right. So questions, guys. If you're not comfortable speaking, just type in the chat, and we're gonna yes, John, I see you chatting. Tell us any insights, comments, questions. Friday, Peter Ehimare, if your mic is on, you can say something. All right, John, I understand. Puchong supplies. You're in a position to talk, let me know. No. I think as you guys get ready, those who have questions or comments, so maybe some of the things that we have lined up in terms of enabling these more and more. So I think for landing pages and websites is custom domains, where you're able now to configure your own custom domain. That's coming very soon. Other agents that we will be rolling out is things like presentations. I think PowerPoint is always, we all want to present proposals, whatever, for different things that we want to present. So that's coming too. For the different categories, I think we want to niche down more. Like if it's a social post, we could niche down to just an agent that just does meta images, one that does LinkedIn images, because sometimes the languages, the tones and the styles of LinkedIn and Meta is a bit different. So we could just be more specialized. We're also doing integrations where you can just post from here with Meta, you know, LinkedIn, could be X, TikTok, you know. For things like maybe ads, we could have different agent categories. Maybe you want a UGC ad, you want a promotional, a UGC ad, it's more of a discount ad, you know, like there's just different categories to it, just so that it improves the outcome, that you don't have to keep going. But again, we've realized that's the best way to get the best results from these LLMs. So because you then narrow the scope of what it's supposed to do, and then you can give it better, you know, variables to work on. So there's that. Other things, of course, eventually you want it to be fully autonomous, where you can give it roles. Is purely now like somebody doing on your work, and your work, it'll just be sending you alerts to ask you, is this okay? Should I proceed? And then you just reply yes, and it goes on with whatever it's doing. So, I mean, a lot of things lined up. We hope we're gonna roll them out in you know, before, in the shortest time possible, I would say. So yeah, and we are excited. Thank you so much for creating time to join the conversation. John, thank you for your kind words. You've always followed us and you're learning a lot. Good to hear. Very happy to hear you're learning. Marilyn, you want to say something? I know you've also been catching up with our webinars. I know last time you wanted to talk, but I think, Marilyn, you want to talk? Say something? Comfort, Kanene, you can say something. You've been here since the session started, together with Kamchacha. So guys, sign up. I think the best talking is to talk with the agent. I think that's where you get the proper feedback. So sign up, explore the free credits, and then let us know how it's taking you. So I think Duncan, you have a parting shot?
Yeah, I think for me is it's an AI world, an agent world, a chat world. So and that, I think that's where everything is going. I mean, in terms of digital marketing, from social media all the way now to websites, landing pages. So I think, of course, now we I mean, from where we sit, I think we're trying to make that, that easy. And of course, now trying to aggregate all those agents into one, one platform where you can actually run on your marketing and, marketing and digital marketing processes from end to end. So we'll be grateful to have you around, walk the journey with us, and be sure you will have, you'll get amazing stuff, amazing features. So we'll be happy to see you in the next session for, again, more amazing features. Yeah, so thank you so much for attending the session.
Lawrence, parting shot.
I think it's just to tell those who are here with us to join the community. Actually, I should just share the link here. And they'll just be getting more as we, we roll out the new features, as we, any update, you'll just be getting it there real time. Again, go sign up to Ndovesha.ai. Chat with the marketing operator there. Is very, very good person there. He will give you whatever you want when it comes to the social media posts, the ads creatives, the landing page, and all that, and the other ones that will come later. So yeah, let me just share the link here for those who have not joined our community. Yeah.
Caroline, I see you've joined late. Now you can generate a landing page for your, I remember we had that conversation. Go to the agents and tell it to give you a landing page, and it will generate also a shareable link. Caroline, I think now it should be very easy for you. You can check this one we've generated during the session.
Okay. Good, and I'm very grateful.
Yeah, check that one. So go to Ndovesha.ai, log in, and on the landing page agent, just tell it the website you need, and it will generate one for you. So yeah. So I think we're gonna wind up there. For now, for me, just to say thank you for joining. See you in the community, see you in the chat. Yeah, and also see you in the next webinar session. So Thursday next week, same day, same time. Bye-bye for now.